Hey guys, let's make this a savory garlic rice. In a pan, add cooking oil, then add your onions. Fry your onions until they are translucent, a bit soft. Then go ahead and add a turmeric and butter. A tablespoon of butter is enough for this step. So guys, in this video I am making this savory rice, but then please watch until the end. And before I forget, if you have watched this far and you are still new on this channel or anything, could you please click that subscribe button and become a member of the family. To my existing subbies, I really appreciate you, and please continue to support. Guys, if you don't mind, could you please watch my playlist, help me grow on YouTube? I would really appreciate you. So guys, while I was waiting for my onions to be translucent, I added peppers, green peppers, and also chopped a parsley. Then I went ahead and mixed everything, and I've added coriander, spice. Love me some herbs, honey. What are you doing if you don't use your herbs? Then I added another tablespoon of butter. Then I let that cook. Then I went ahead and added cooked rice bit by bit. Did you get that? A little bit goes a long way. So a little bit of rice, then I mixed it together. Mix. Guys, I'm running out of breath. Then I continue to add more rice. So I had to leave some of the rice because my kids are very picky. They don't want to see anything yellow. They don't want to see any veggies. They just want it the way it is. White, pure white, if you know what I mean. Let me know if your kids love some savory rice, because you better give me some tips. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this kids. They don't like veggies. So yeah, while you're going ahead and mixing everything together, we're gonna go ahead and add some fish sauce. This is your secret ingredient. So fish sauce is a way to go. It's gonna give this umami flavor. You will taste it. This will taste like you have added some meat. Girl, my man, you did not add any meat, but the fish sauce is giving it everything. So after adding the sauce, just mix everything together. Then add lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. Well, if you don't have a freshly squeezed lemon juice, you can go ahead and add the store-bought lemon juice. So yeah guys, that's how my savory rice look. I finished up with another turmeric because I needed a little bit more depth of color. Voila, this is how it looks. I hope you're gonna enjoy. So now let's move ahead and cook some rice. This is how I cook my rice, guys. Added rice, I think I added 2 cups of rice and then a little bit of 4 cups of water and let it run and washed my rice. Guy, I said I wash my rice. I mean, honey, I wash my rice. So I've washed my rice, rinsed it over, and then wash it again and rinse it off. Like, I don't know how many times I've washed this rice, guys. But anyway, wash until your water is clear. It doesn't have starch anymore. So the trick with this, the way I cook my rice, I'll add it and then add salt, all right, and put it on the stove and let it cook. When it's like 10 minutes halfway to like being done, right, so I will take it out and go rinse it again. And then at this time, this is me rinsing. You see, you can see with all those holes that it's about to be like well cooked. So I go and rinse it again to remove the starch completely. Let me know, how often do you rinse your rice? Someone will be like, girl, you have time to play, we need the starch. But that's how I cook my rice, and I prefer it in that way. I use strainer. I find a strainer very easy to use, especially when you want to run the water and just remove the starch within the rice. So strainer, it's your friend. Make strainer your BFF. So yeah, guys, that's exactly how I cook my rice. So once I'm done straining, all right, this is when I don't go and fry it. So when I'm done straining, I'll put it back inside the pot and put it on the stove on low heat, so it can just absorb. All the water must be like gone. Then voila, ready to serve. And to make it extra fluffy, you can add your butter, your margarine, anything. Some add cooking oil. So yeah, that's how I cook my rice, and I hope you're gonna start doing your rice the way I make mine. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is a reminder to could you please subscribe to my channel. I really like and would love to have you as my subby, as someone who'll be rooting for this girl not to give up, guys, because rough kwa YouTube, rough. So yeah, guys, I usually have like water next on the next sink, because when I cook, I clean as I cook. Sometimes, hey, let me know, do you also clean as you cook, or you just cook and let everything pile up? Mina, it depends on the energy. If the energy is like totally good, I would definitely clean as I cook. But if not, you sana, I will leave those dishes. And when I left them and I walk into my kitchen, I'm hearing my mom's voice say, "Yay, why would you jana dilichena? Why oh, guys, reminder of childhood. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. I am out. Bye.